Have you ever been locked out of your Venmo account and needed to get back in quickly? Whether you forgot your password or you're just looking for an extra layer of security by changing it, resetting your Venmo password is a simple process. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to do it in just a few steps. First, let's cover what to do if you've forgotten your password. If you're using the Venmo app, open it up and tap on Sign In. Below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Tap that. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Once you do, Venmo will send you a secure link to reset your password. Just follow the link, create your new password, and you're all set. Now, what if you know your password but just want to change it? Maybe you suspect someone else might have access to your account, or you simply want to use a stronger password. It's a great habit to change your passwords regularly for security. If you're already logged into your account, here's how to do it. On the Venmo app, go to the Me tab, which is the single person icon on the bottom right. From there, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Password under the Security section. You'll be asked to enter your current password before you can create a new one. This ensures that only you are making the change. Enter your new password twice to confirm, and tap Change Password. And that's it. As a final tip, always make sure to create a strong and unique password that you don't use for other accounts. Using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is a great way to protect your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.